Tired of store-bought bread? Meet the bread maker that changes everything. The craving for fresh-baked bliss. Ever dreamed of waking up to the aroma of freshly baked bread, only to be disappointed by store-bought loaves that taste stale and artificial? The struggle is real. Kneading dough by hand takes forever, and those complicated bread recipes online? Total mood killers. If only there were a way to create bakery-quality bread without the mess, hassle, or endless guessing. Enter the Amazon Basics Programmable Bread Maker, the game-changing kitchen wizard ready to tackle your dough dilemmas. It's time to ditch preservative-packed loaves and bake your way to bread nirvana. A hero with 14 superpowers. Imagine one machine that handles mixing, kneading, rising, and baking, all at the touch of a button. The Amazon Basics Bread Maker isn't just another kitchen gadget, it's a 14-in-1 bread baking superhero. With preset programs for classic white, whole wheat, gluten-free, and even dough for pizza or pastries, this machine takes the guesswork out of baking. Whether you want light, medium, or dark crust, the LCD display and intuitive controls let you bake your perfect loaf with precision. Say goodbye to bread fails and hello to perfectly golden crusts every single time. Speed meets convenience. Bake in under 90 minutes. Who has time to babysit dough for hours? With its ExpressBake setting, this bread maker delivers fresh-baked goodness in under 90 minutes. Perfect for busy mornings or unexpected cravings, it fits seamlessly into your schedule. Need more flexibility? The programmable delay timer lets you prep ingredients the night before and wake up to a warm, fragrant loaf. Whether you're rushing to work or prepping for weekend brunch, this machine has your back, serving up bakery-quality results without breaking a sweat. Built to last, durable, compact, and easy to clean. Let's face it, kitchen appliances need to pull their weight. Made with durable stainless steel and a non-stick interior, this bread maker handles heavy-duty baking while staying easy to clean. No sticky messes or complicated scrubbing, just wipe and go. Compact enough to fit any counter, it's ideal for apartments, dorms, or full-sized kitchens. Plus, at only 7.57 pounds, it's portable enough to bring along for family gatherings or baking parties. Quality meets practicality, making this machine a true kitchen MVP. Affordable luxury that saves you money. Why spend a fortune on bakery bread when you can make better loaves at home for a fraction of the cost? The Amazon Basics Bread Maker pays for itself in no time, saving you money on pricey gluten-free options and specialty loaves. With its 550-watt motor and 2-pound capacity, it's built for efficiency and performance. Plus, included recipes and settings give you endless possibilities to experiment without breaking the bank. Affordable, reliable, and versatile, this bread maker turns any home into a personal bakery. Ready to bake happiness? Your bread-making adventure starts here.